Most teams spend more time managing meetings than they realize. Scheduling, notes, and follow-ups, all done manually, can add up. The easiest way to automate your meeting workflow is with Tactiq. Let's walk through a real example, automatically writing a summary and sending it to Slack. First, look up for Tactiq on Google. Next, click Add to Chrome button. From here, install the free Tactiq Chrome extension and sign up for an account and follow the next steps to start. Once done, join your meeting on Google Meet, Zoom, or Microsoft Teams. In this case, I will use Google Meet. When the conversation starts, Tactiq transcribes in real time directly in your browser. When the meeting ends, your full transcript is waiting in your Tactiq dashboard. From here, click My Workflows. Next, click New Workflow and you'll see a library of pre-built templates. For this example, select Slack and use the workflow called Write a Summary, Review It, and Send to Slack. Click Duplicate, then check at the very bottom to see if your Slack is connected. If not, connect your Slack and follow the prompt. Once connected, click Save. Go back to your meeting notes and select a prompt on how you want your transcript to be summarized. On the upper right corner, click Share. From the options, select Slack. Select which channel you want it to be shared. And that's it. Every time a meeting ends, your summary gets written and sent to Slack without you lifting a finger. This is just one of the workflows. Check our blog on how to use the other workflows. Try Tactiq for free using the link in the description. And subscribe for more tips on automating your meeting workflow.